Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can align objects and items in your presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. All right, so navigate to a presentation. As you can see, I'm on that board here with these shapes here, for example, these text boxes. So if you'd like to align them, guys, let me go with that example here with these two shapes here. So what you want to do is left click into the first one. Press and hold left shift on your keyboard and select the second object, just like that. Click into it. And I'm just going to select both of them. So here at the top, you will see that menu. And among these tools, you will see the Align Objects feature. Click into it and select your favorite alignment, like left, centered, right. And you can do the same with the vertical alignment. So let me show you each one of them. That's the left alignment, centered, got the bottom alignment, and so on and so forth. And of course, guys, you can apply this to as many items as you like. So let me left click into this one, press and hold left shift, select the second one, press and hold left shift, and let me also go with this box here. Left click into it, select alignment, and select or choose your favorite alignment, like to the top. And as you can see, these objects will then be aligned along the selected border of the box. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.